Okay, we're going to see if we can run this through some sort of algorithm to get text. So the whole idea here is to show vignetting for a lens. And to do this, we're going to use a couple different programs. First up, I am going to use image J to bring in a image. So this is image J. It's an NIH program. It does not look like much because it's this little screen. But what we're going to do is we're going to open this cell phone image under downloads. Which is this one. We're going to open this up. It doesn't look that great, but we want to crop this so that it's only a few pixels wide. And we're going to export this in a format that is acceptable for Excel. So here I am in image J, and I look at this little rectangle here, which is a cropping tool. And I'm going to crop this so it's just a few pixels wide. It's full width, but a few pixels high. So I can tell how many pixels it is by looking at this little top number. And right now it's 16, 12, 8. It's right, so it's that little number up top there that's shown. Next thing I want to do is I want to crop it. So I come up here to image, come down here to crop, looks like that. And here's my image. It's this little tiny band across here. And the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to export this image. File, save as, and I come down here to text. Save as text image. I'm going to call it cell phone, whatever it was before. It's going to be my downloads. And I said save. And it's there. So I'm going to come over here to Excel. And I'm going to say a brand new file, which is there. I'm going to say file, import, and it's going to be a text file. Under downloads, it's that special cell phone file. Right here is the text format. Say get data. This is a preview of what the data is going to look like. And it's from 0 to 256. So I say, okay, next. It looks good, so I say next. And we finish it. And there's the data. You'll see that I'm really only interested in one row of data. So I'm going to click on this row, and I'm going to say insert scatter plot. And it's going to look like that. And that is my vignette from my cell phone, which shows that my cell phone is not very good. You're going to do this for 7 different settings of a good camera lens. And then you're going to see how the vignetting is affected by the F number of the lens. Hope this helps.